Right behind us, we have our 2024 4th gen Tacoma TRD Sport, which is looking pretty boring in stock. So in this video, we're gonna be changing that. We're gonna be installing $10,000 worth of parts from NYTOP. And then when we're finished with this thing, we're gonna take it to the trails and put it to the test. So make sure to stay tuned for that video, hit that subscribe button, and all this stuff is available at YotaXpedition.com. Let's go ahead, get the Tacoma on the lift and get this build started. All right, we got the Tacoma up in the air. We're gonna be starting at the back, and the first things we're gonna be putting on are the NYTOP rear recovery points. These are gonna be super easy to install. They're gonna get put on right here on the side of the frame. We have some plastic caps. We're just gonna pop those out, throw a couple of bolts through there, and this is gonna make it a little bit easier to recover your Tacoma if you get into a sticky situation. Plus, it's just gonna look better because they are powder coated red. Next up, while we're back here, we're gonna rip off the tail section of the exhaust, and we're gonna install this titanium axle dump from NYTOP, hopefully giving this engine a little bit more life. So let's go ahead and get into it. Watch your eyeballs.
So you weren't kidding. You were not kidding.
Depends on how they wanna come out. So we got the rear recovery hooks done on the Tacoma. The next thing we're gonna do is the axle dump here from NYTOP. So if you come underneath the Tacoma, we are gonna be eliminating the factory rear section of the exhaust, including this resonator right here, coming all the way back to where this bolts right behind the muffler. So our new piece is gonna be going right here, and deleting that resonator and that extra exhaust pipe is probably gonna give it a little bit more noise. But before we get this installed, let's go ahead and hear it in stock form.
All right, so with a ratchet and a 14, we're gonna get these two nuts removed and pull off the tail section of the exhaust. Also, if you don't have a pair of these exhaust hanger pliers, you should definitely get a set.
Take those. There we go. It'd be a lot easier if I just grabbed the impact out of the toolbox. Maybe a little deeper. I don't know, let's get it outside. All right, guys, axle dump is done on the Tacoma. Let us know down in the comments what you think about it, if it sounds any different, if you would pick it up or not. But we can move on to the next product from NYTOP, which is going to be their steel front bumper and also their front recovery hooks. In order to get this installed, we do need to remove the full front bumper. So let's go ahead and start doing that.
So while I get this front bumper removed, if you guys ever need to remove yours and you don't know how, we have a full video showing you guys how to get it done. Make sure to check that out. So in order to get this new bumper from NYTOP installed, we need to remove the lower valence here on the factory bumper. Once we have that done, we're gonna remove these bolts here on the factory crash bar and the factory tow hooks and install the new recovery points, which our new NYTOP bumper is gonna be mounting to. Once we get these new recovery points installed, we can reinstall the front bumper and then get our new NYTOP bumper installed.
I think that went righty-loosey. All right, so let's go ahead and slap this thing on. All right, so with the front bumper finish from NYTOP, we're gonna get the Tacoma back up in the air. We have some skid plates to get installed, some rock sliders, carbon fiber fender flares from NYTOP, and also some brand new wheels and tires to really transform this Tacoma. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video where we take this thing to the trails.
So step one, let's get this useless splash guard removed. And then let's go ahead and take out these bolts that we already put in so that we can get the front brace installed, so that we can get our front skid plate installed. You're gonna need this brace if you don't have a TRD Off-Road, a TRD Pro, or a Trail Hunter Tacoma.
So we have the first one here from NYTOP. This is gonna be a 3-piece skid plate set. And I would say it's pretty comparable to like a TRD Pro skid plate, but the TRD Pro skid plate you can only get as 1 piece, not 3 pieces. So this is definitely gonna cover more. So we're gonna get this up in place. We're gonna get all of the skid plates installed. And one thing that's nice is, since it's not black or powder coated, when we do hit stuff with this, we're not gonna be ripping the paint off.
So let's go ahead and throw these skid plates up. We'll get all the bolts started and tightened down. These are pretty simple when it comes to installation.
All right, guys, we got the skid plate set from NYTOP installed on the Tacoma. Definitely a nice piece, easy to install, but you can't have skid plates without rock sliders. So now we're gonna go ahead and get those installed. So let's go ahead and do that. Right here we have one of the rock sliders from NYTOP for the Tacoma. These are a nice modern design. This is definitely gonna protect your rocker panel, while also making it easier to get in and out of the truck and also get up to the roof if you have a roof rack. It's only gonna take us maybe 5 minutes to get these installed. So we're gonna grab Mike behind the camera and see how they look.
Installing these rock sliders is pretty straightforward. All the hardware is included, and you pretty much just need to put them up in position and get all your bolts started and tightened down, and you're good to go.
All right, passenger side is done. That was really easy. Probably one of the easiest rock sliders that I've installed. So now we're gonna go over to the driver's side and get that one done, and then we can move on to the next part.
That's it for today. It's all the dirt I get on my hands.
Did he just install brand new parts on a brand new truck and complain about his hands getting dirty?
All right, so we got both of the rock sliders installed, and now we can start getting into some of the more visually impactful mods. We have the carbon fiber fender flares up next, and then after we get these done, we're gonna get those brand new wheels and tires on here and definitely transform the look. And there you have it. Pretty easy.
So removing your factory fender flares is really easy. You just have a few 10mm bolts and you just have a couple clips you need to pull out, and off comes your fender flares. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray the areas down where we're gonna be putting the double-sided tape with some alcohol, making sure it's nice and clean and dry. Right here, we're just putting some adhesion promoter on the back of the fender flare to ensure that the double-sided tape is going to stick as best as it can. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 layers of double-sided tape on the back of these fenders.
Peel this back just a little bit, and we'll have it hang out the side like that.
All right, we got the first one done. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the fender flares all taped up and installed on the Tacoma.
All right guys, with the fender flares on, the Tacoma is looking a little funny now with these stock wheels and tires. So the next thing we're gonna do is get these off and get our brand new tires on and our brand new wheels from NYTOP to completely transform this Tacoma. Let's get to it. So right here we have our new wheels and tires that we're gonna be putting on our Tacoma. These are the ADV Classics from NYTOP, and we're gonna be using a 17 by 8.5 with a +25 offset, which should fit the 4th gen Tacoma pretty good. They also have these available in a 0 offset if you guys want something a little bit more aggressive, but we also have them wrapped in a 285/70 tire, which should fill out that wheel well nicely. And we do have no aftermarket suspension on this Tacoma. This should fit with it being stock, and it should help fill out those aftermarket fender flares that we put on as well. So let's go ahead and get the Tacoma back up in the air. We're gonna take off those ugly factory wheels and tires and get these on and completely change the look. Got 2 of the wheels and tires on, and this thing is definitely looking way better now. It's crazy how much some wheels and tires will completely change the look of your truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other 2 on, and then we can get this thing on the ground to see how it actually sits. the new wheels and tires on, that is gonna be a wrap for the NYTOP 4th Gen Tacoma build. If you went to our website and you bought everything you could for your 4th Gen, you would have what you see right here. Let us know down in the comments what you think about how the new Tacoma looks. If you guys wanna pick up any of this stuff that we installed in this video, it's all available on our website, YotaXpedition.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one.